This is the first question on the second page. Geneva wishes to throw a pumpkin horizontally off the top of the school roof in order to hit Stuart's car. All right, so she's throwing horizontally off of a roof of a building to hit a car. Bad car. Okay, the car is parked a distance of 13.4 meters away from the base of the building. This is below the point where Geneva is standing. The building's roof is 10.4 meters high. If we assume no air resistance, so that's just telling us that we're a projectile, we only need to think about gravity. With what horizontal speed must Geneva toss the pumpkin? So we're looking for VIX. All right, given the information that we have, we can calculate, we know that x is equal to VIX times time. We could calculate VIX this way, but we don't have time yet, so we need to figure out how we're going to get time. We might also recall that y equals 1/2 gt squared in the case that we have zero acceleration like this, or not zero acceleration, zero initial velocity in the y direction. So let's calculate time this way. So we know that the building is 10.4 meters tall, and we have 1/2 of our acceleration of gravity, 9.8 meters per second squared. We need to take into account that this is a negative number and this is a downward direction. Then we're going to multiply that by t squared. So we divide each side by this, which is really just negative 4.9. And we get t squared. Actually, we'll just take the square root of this at the same time. So take the square root of this answer, and we get t equals, so negative 10.4 divided by negative 4.9 is 2.12. Then we take the square root of that number, and we get 1.46 seconds. All right, now that we have 1.46 seconds, we can plug back into this equation. Now we know 13.4 meters equals VIX times this 1.46 seconds. We can divide by 1.46 on each side to get VIX. So the velocity at which Geneva needs to throw this horizontal pumpkin is 9.18 meters per second.